Severe weather tonight through the western Oregon area. Good evening, I'm Tom Adams.
And I'm Kim Quintero. Thanks for joining us tonight. We had a whole lot of thunder, lightning, downpours, even some hail, just about everything but the kitchen sink. If you were out and about late this afternoon, the Eugene and Springfield area, you probably saw the sprinklings on the car window. Well, we are drying up for tonight, and we do have a better chance for sunshine as we head into Saturday afternoon. And that sunshine is going to warm our temperatures up, which is good news. Still below what's considered normal for this time of year for the Eugene-Springfield area, which is 83. We're probably going to hit the upper 70s. Still chilly in the mountains if you're going hiking or camping this weekend. Take note, we're only going to top out in the low 60s, and the weekend should end on a cloudy note. But to start the work week, we should get some sunshine. We might see some clouds increase by Sunday, but all in all, a dry forecast, a very nice forecast.
Wow.
If you like the rain, better luck next week.
Kim, what does this mean for us?
Well, we do have strong thunderstorms that will be rolling through the region until about 6:48 tonight, according to the National Weather Service. Not the same story, though, as we take a look at the national picture stretching from the Great Lakes region all the way down into Texas. Clear and cold tonight. And then we're going to have an onshore flow that's going to pick up, pushing that marine layer into the state of Oregon. So that's going to bring us some cloud cover. We do have some wildfire dangers to talk about over the next couple of days. The threat of lightning combined with those dry fuels from last week's heat wave could spark some pretty explosive wildfires.
Well, it's surprising how chilly it is out there.
Yeah, certainly does not feel like August. In fact, the almanac is kind of a tease. Today's high was 67 in Eugene and Springfield. The normal 83. Will we warm up for the weekend? We'll let you know coming up. We're keeping an eye on severe weather rolling through our state. Take a look at the light show captured in this video from last night. The Eugene-Springfield area was drenched with rain as thunderstorms moved into the area. And again, we do have another thunderstorm that's right near Oak Ridge at this hour, moving to the north at about 20 miles per hour. So weather advisory in effect for central rural Lane County until 5:30. Be aware of that. We're going to see these unusual thunderstorms and showers popping up all over the region tonight, especially for southern Oregon. Flash flooding concern as well when we get these heavy bouts of rain that accompany the thunderstorms. Those temperatures tonight above normal, but tomorrow temperatures near normal. They're going to feel a lot warmer though because we're going to have very high humidity, and we're looking forward to some weekend drying, maybe a little bit of sunshine. We have 79 degrees in Eugene at this hour, a warm 81 in Roseburg, 57s in Coos Bay and into Newport with a 76 in Redmond. You can see that rain shower activity is starting to pick up and move on into the metro area, and you can see that little bit of yellow to the east of us. That's another thunderstorm. Here's the bigger picture. You can see all these brightly colored yellows and oranges. These are thunderstorms that are popping up. Again, mainly to the south. We have some just to the east and to our north. And we do have flash flood watches for a big section of real estate tonight. Again, with these thunderstorms, we're talking about heavy rain, so we could see some flooding in some urban areas as well as for some small streams. Low pressure is sitting over the Northern California coastline. We've been talking about it for the past couple of days. It's bringing this warm, moist flow from the southeast, so that's creating some instability in our atmosphere, again, especially south. So expect those times of heavy rain when the thunderstorms roll through tonight. We could get a repeat of this action tomorrow. Again, some gusty winds to accompany it. And our microcast shows as we get to the heat of our day, Thursday and into Thursday evening, we could again see the thunderstorm activity. We're looking for that low to move off to the southeast on Friday, so we should clear up in time for our weekend. Looking at the national picture, we have this rain spreading really from Oregon all the way down into San Diego. We also have some severe weather stretching through the central plains as well as the deep south and even the Florida peninsula. Today's high in Eugene and Springfield well above what's considered normal for this time of year. 70 degrees. The record was 93 set back in 1950. And if you thought it was a little warm last night, it certainly was. 57 degrees. And we hit an 82 in Roseburg today, 57 in Coos Bay, a 79 into Redmond. Redmond. For Florence tomorrow, we're looking at a high of 64, cloudy, just some scattered showers for you. Coos Bay and North Bend, a few isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon, a high of about 65 degrees. Take a look at the next 7 days. Friday, it looks like just some plain old rain. Saturday and Sunday, we should dry out, looking nice there. And let's take a look at Roseburg. We have 73 degrees. That flash flood watch is in effect this evening. A rerun of thunderstorms for tomorrow evening. Let's take a look at the next 7 days. So you can get through the next couple of days. You'll have a nice reward for the weekend. Sunshine, temperatures in the upper 70s. Bend and Redmond, 72 for you. Afternoon thunderstorms as well. The Cascades, you have the same story with a high of 64 degrees. Albany, Corvallis, 75. A little bit on the humid side tomorrow. Again, some afternoon, evening thunderstorms are possible. And the same into Eugene and Springfield with a high of 73. Let's take a look at the next 7 days. So we'll have the shower activity tapering off for the end of the work week. And as we head into the weekend, we're going to cool on down ever so slightly. We should get some sunshine. And the start of the next work week's not looking too bad either. It's right around normal. Partly sunny skies. We got temperatures in the low 70s. So we just have to get through all this wild weather. And I'm trying to blog about it for you tonight. So go to our website, kval.com, and when things start to pop up, I will post them. And we also want to see your video and your pictures. If you come across flooding or hail or you see the lightning, post it on U-News, and we will try and show all of that great stuff for tonight's newscast.
That's such a cool challenge to catch some lightning on film.
Definitely.
Thanks.